DIG Munger Range Manu Maharaj spoke to Times Network's Prashant Kumar over this firing incident. While assuring that investigation into the case is underway, he deflected the question on who ordered the firing.
DIG Munger Range, Manu Maharaj is me, sir. We know what has happened 2 days back. Lot of discontent on ground. There is very minimal crowd that is coming to vote here. Questions are being asked of you, sir. Where does the investigation stand right now?
Basically, as far as voting is concerned, I have seen the whole area. I have roamed around in the town also. Regular voting is going on. People have been encouraged and they have been voting. So there is no impact on voting as such as of now.
You are a seasoned officer, sir. There are questions being asked not only of the police here but also administration as to how is it that the cops can actually decide on firing on people who basically were devotees. Yes, there might be crowd. There's a SOP to disperse the crowd. You are very well aware of. There are a lot of questions being asked of you, sir. How do you answer to those questions?
Basically, as of now, up till now, no application or no written application has been received regarding police firing. Cases have been registered and we are taking action against the miscreants. Primary investigation mein police FIR has been registered. A number of FIRs have been registered wherever the ruckus took place, and we are investigating the case.
Okay. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. So it was the DIG Range Munger. Manu Maharaj was speaking to us, saying the cases have been registered, investigation is on, but he of course dug the question of who ordered firing on the devotees. Kisne firing ka permission diya is what I asked him directly, but he dug the question and now he's going. But I want to show you around what's happening here. This is the booth closest to the home of the man who was killed, the youth who was killed, and there's absolutely no voting happening here. Very minimal voting since morning. There are people in a group of 2 to 3 or 4 to 5 who are coming to vote here, and that's exactly how things stand even as we speak to you.